Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how you can edit your bio in chess.com. Now, if you want to add more personality, more you in chess.com, it's quite simple. Log into your account, and once you have signed in, you want to click on your profile here on the lower left-hand side, like so. It's going to bring you to your profile. So there's a few ways you can do this. First way is just enter a status here, and you can just, this can be a bio, but if you're really nitpicky about it, all you need to do is click on the edit profile here on the upper right corner, like so. It's going to bring you to this public profile option here, and it says here your short bio will appear next to your avatar, so only 50 characters. So this is where you could actually add a bio, albeit a bit brief, a bit shorter, because you really can't put a lot. So again, be mindful of 50 characters. This is kind of like a bit more loose than Twitter, all things considered. So yeah, pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.